Oh my god, okay, I'll show everybody. We gotta show everybody. Okay, Mom's gonna record. Kayson, blow your whistle. Here, you gotta close your mouth. He can blow a whistle! Oh, you gotta close your mouth all the way. Yes! You can blow a whistle! Yes, good job, you can blow! So excited! This is the first time he's ever blown out a whistle. Usually he can't get it to go at all. Yes! We did it! We did it! We're gonna blow a freaking bubble. We are going to blow a bubble, Kayson. Not even joking. We're blowing a bubble here. It's happening. We're blowing a bubble. Okay, now that we got him to blow the whistle, he's blowing it more for me now. This is so crazy. Like, I'm crying because this is so awesome. Let's see if he can blow a bubble. He's never, ever, ever been able to blow a bubble. Let's try it out. We're gonna try blow a bubble, buddy? Okay. Blow. Oh my god. Blow. Oh my god. You haven't ever been able to do this. Blow. 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 Oh my god. Blow. Almost. Blow. Blow. Oh my god. Seriously. You blew a bubble. Kayson, that is freaking awesome. Let's try this again. That's awesome. You've never been able to blow a bubble ever. Blow again. I know. I'm sorry. I can't help but cry. I'm happy. No, blow. Oh my gosh. Oh my god. Can you blow? Almost. Open your mouth a little bit when you're blowing. Are you getting tired? Can you blow? Now you're just making the sound silly. Are you getting tired? We've done this a lot. Almost. I think your mouth's getting tired. I made you blow the whistle a lot because I'm so excited. Blow. Yeah, I think you're getting tired. Blow. Yeah, blow. Oh, look at that. Oh my god. Kayson, seriously? This is so awesome. Give me 5. Yes. This is awesome. You've never been able to do this. This is so awesome. This is seriously awesome. This makes Mom so happy. Sorry, Mom was crying, but I'm so happy. So Kayson keeps pointing to me because I was crying because I'm so happy. He doesn't get the fact that I'm so happy that I'm sad crying. Like, he doesn't get it. He keeps pointing, like saying happy and then pointing to my eyes and saying sad, but happy, and then he says like sad. And he keeps pointing at all three like, I don't get it, right? You're saying, Mom, why are you sad? But you're saying you're happy. You don't get it. Yeah, you're saying Mama's sad and Mama cry. Yes, Mama cry because Mama was happy. Yeah, even though it sounds like I'm sad. Yeah, I know. I get it. It sounds weird, doesn't it? Mom was so happy that I was sad crying. Yeah, so happy. Yeah, because I was crying. Yeah, Mama was crying because I was so happy.